Welcome to this quick video on using Google Bard. Again, as a reminder, if you are signed in under your school ID or Google profile, it's very likely that will not allow you into Google Bard. So make sure that you have switched over to a personal profile or a profile that does allow you access. Then once you do that, it should allow you to sign in to the Bard homepage. Very similar to ChatGPT, it does offer you some suggestions. So for example, draft a design brief for my community bookstore's new logo. So you'll see here, it's going to do a little thinking. You can see then it designs a whole goals, objectives, all of those things in the process that are there. One of the things then you can do as well here in Bard is you can go ahead and you can copy paste. You can also export this response straight to Docs or a draft in Gmail, which is pretty cool. So speaking of Gmail, you might have something like write an email about an upcoming company Christmas party. Okay, so then it generates the email. Some details there, maybe some spots for links and things. And then again, you can go ahead and export that either to Gmail or to Docs. You can do a follow-up question. Maybe you could say, make it sound more professional. So now here's the email with a more professional tone. Dear colleagues, whereas the first one was, hi everyone. I'm writing to invite you this year. Okay, so you can see the difference between the two. Over here on the left-hand side is the activity. So you can come back in here and it stores activity. You can go through then and see basically like a historical record of those things, along with any additional facts and questions. Some of those things you can kind of spin your way through. Other fun things, maybe write a poem to my girlfriend. This would be a real high school boy thing, right? For our 1-year anniversary. Okay, so it generates a poem. There it is. Very beautiful, I'm sure. So anyway, that's Google Bard, very similar to ChatGPT. It does, however, not have some of those limits on use, as well as has some built-in export things to Docs as well as Gmail.